kọ́bọ̀ nùwé kọ́bọ̀ ni Yorùbá máa ń wí. Yomi Fabiyi sọ̀rọ̀ lọpọlọpọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesa tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde. Ó jẹ́ kó yé wa pé Baba Ijesa ti lo ọdún 3 àti oṣù díẹ̀ nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n. Àmọ́ ó ṣàlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan pàtó láàrin Baba Ijesa, ọmọ tí wọ́n ní wọ́n fipá bá lò, Ìyábọ̀ àti Princess fúnra rẹ̀. Ẹ má ṣáájú o, bí Yorùbá máa ṣe ń sọ ní ẹnu oníkan láti gbọ́ pọ̀n, ẹnu Fabiyi fúnra rẹ̀ lè máa ti gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tí ẹ̀ ń ṣalábàápàdé fídíò yàbí channel yìí, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa like rẹ̀ kẹ́ sì bá wa share rẹ̀. Ẹ sì jọ̀wọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa tẹ subscribe button kí ẹ sì lè máa gbádùn ìròyìn ráńpẹ́ tí a máa mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀nyín lórí channel yìí. Inú mi dùn bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni mo mọ̀ lóore o.
Òun Princess last year kọ́nà àbí year ìtẹ̀ ni. That beckon on Lagos State government to charge Damola Adekola to court. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ yẹn ṣe ni. Behind me, òun pẹ̀lú àwọn lawyer, wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ package court case. Wọ́n package me court wọ́n serve me. While she was doing some service, she wants to get judgment. We are in court. Oh. We are in court. If you know the way she would have gotten fake judgment against me, mo fi report here. Mo dey court here. Kojo, I won't try. Èmi ò fẹ́ gbé ẹ lọ court tẹ́lẹ̀. Torí àìmọye ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ti ṣe nínú case Baba Ijesa tí mo fojú fo pé she gave me 50,000 naira when I was going to bury my mom. Money because our méjì kóra wa jẹ. Ó like me, mo like here. And I used to think she's a good person. For whatever it is, she was there for me. Nígbà kan rí. Nígbà instance náà wà ńbẹ̀. Eléyìí náà ó ti pè mí sí fíìmù rí. Ó tún wà ńbẹ̀, ó tún fún mi lówó ńgbà fẹ́ bury mom sí mi. Mo dẹ̀ tún ṣì ń wo gbà kan náà pé okay o, bóyá náà sì lè fún mi ṣe o. Bóyá máa jẹṣẹ́ mi kémi náà jẹṣẹ́ o. Mo ṣe láǹkúrà pé ṣé máa gbérù Ìyábọ̀ ìlọ court ni. Torí nígbà tó máa bá Tóyìn bẹ̀bẹ̀ ń jọ sí, ó tún fún mi lápọ̀nlé mi. Mo fún gbogbo pé this lady she speak the truth. Tí bá dẹ̀ jà fáwọn àgbàlagbà yẹn, gbogbo táwọn kúnlẹ̀ afford gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe yẹn, gbogbo charity inú industry mo ti ṣe ti pẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Nígbà mo rí pé ọ̀nà mi ò gbà ká máa pín rẹ̀ sí ká máa pín human rights ló bá mi lẹ́jẹ̀ mu ni mo ṣe yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀. But anytime tí bá ṣe gbà yẹn, Ìyábọ̀ máa fún mi lówó, á pè mí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kíní Ajídébí? Okay, how much do they need? Okay, I'll be sending money. Don't mention my name. Ni mo ṣe láǹkú rẹ̀ pé ṣé rẹ̀ tó ń ṣe kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni màá gbé lọ sí court. 1 billion already fún mi lówó pé wọ́n gbé lọ́yà lẹ́ sínú advocate pé kí n charge sí court. Tí bá parọ́ kí ìyá mi pè mí láàrin ọjọ́ méje. Even àwọn kan wọ́n tún gbé mi lọ sí Abuja. Wọ́n tún owó rẹ̀ charge Ìyábọ̀. Finisher. I know where to write report to money. No, I won't do that. Ìsìn ni mo báyìí pé Ọlọ́run tẹ̀ ló ní pé mi jẹ́ṣẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ yìí. Bọ́ èmi máa ṣọkọ fún ẹ. Kò yé yín? Mo ṣì máa ṣọkọ fún ẹ because èmi ṣì lọ́kọ Ìyábọ̀. Bó ṣe ń pọ́n mi lé tẹ́lẹ̀. Tó yẹ kó jẹ́ kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó má fi lára kún. Wèrè jáde fún mi tán ni o. Àti Davido àti Tókẹ́ Mákíwá o àti gbogbo àwọn wèrè mọ́ wèrè pọ̀. Tọ́n ní talent tọ́kọ̀ láwọn pẹ̀lú àwọn entertainer. Tọ́n fagídí wá sọ́ra. Gbogbo ọkàn ṣọnu síbi lára gbà yẹn mo báyìí pé ọlọ́ba yẹ kí ọ rádaràdá. Ìyẹn èmi lẹ wá sọ di gbá wọlé ẹgbó yín torí mò ń jà fún. But I know it's tricky, it's very sensitive, but it's worth it for that man to be in life imprisonment. Ohun tí mo padà rí yẹn ṣáwọn adájọ́ ogun orí ni. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní ìjọba orí ni pé this guy is speaking the truth. Ẹ lọ pe ọlọ́pàá náà jáde kó sọ pé tí mo sọ gbà yẹn tí mo jà lórí case Baba Ijesa irọ́ mo pa. They won't tell you the truth. Ẹ lọ pe ẹni lawyer jáde tó máa sọ pé irọ́ ni mo pa. Àwọn social media ẹni kan ló ń ṣe ẹlẹ́bọ̀tọ̀. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ kéèsì ẹni ẹbí ìwà àti mi rántí o. Tí bá rántí sí ó lè já mi jẹ́ kí sáré padà wá kí sáré sọ fún yín. Àwọn kan burúkú tó ṣe ń gbà yẹn nínú kéèsì ẹni yẹn. Ó gba àwọn mídíà yẹn ṣe lọ́dákẹ́ lọ. And that's the reality. That's what I am doing to live as a life of example for kò ṣe by ẹbọ yàwọn tó ti popular tó ti kú tẹ̀tẹ̀lé ní grave ni máa lọ bá ti pé fẹ́ máa deceive yẹn kẹ́lẹ̀ like me. Let's do right by each other's side. Mi ò lé nǹkan tó kọjá mi rí, mi ò mówó lẹ́nlẹ́rìí, mi ò mú nǹkan ní nǹkan, mi ò ń lu jìbìtì, mi ò mówó lówó. But when you see me put my neck in something, Mama Jabu, I tell you, my life depends on it, and that's me. gbogbo wọn bọ́ta. The only person to ṣe writing was Femi Branch, who called and apologized. I said, no problem, ego. Èyí tó ṣe gẹ̀bí gẹ̀ ẹni tó léwo lábíà kò ní talent acting. Nínú lówó àbí kí lórúkọ yẹn. Tó ń bèbí ṣe pala. Gbogbo àwọn wèrè bọ́kọ̀ gbogbo lọ sí gbogbo àwọn jákàtà tọkọ̀ jáwọ́ industry tó ní background tó ní kankan. Èyí torí ẹ̀ bó jẹ tó tẹ́rọ̀gì sórí ẹ̀ náà. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ ṣọwọ́ lára mi. Lè máa mo kọ̀ báyìí pé àti ìta ṣoore fún tàbí wọ industry. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ jáde tán fún mi gbà wọ́n ní mọ̀ pé ti tọ́ wèrè. Gbogbo àwọn rọ́ọ̀gì tó yẹ kó fi ṣe sí National Stadium wọ́n máa tẹ sórí. Ẹ máa lẹ́yìn celebrate ẹ máa jẹ pásẹ̀ mi. Ṣé ẹ ní talent jù mí lọ ni? Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ àti jù mí lọ ni? Tó bá ṣe pé mo tóbi mo yọ̀dí. Mo dẹ̀ lọ ń jà mo bá jà fáwọn èèyàn káàkiri. Mi ò jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí pé talent wà pé story ti máa kọ láàrin 3 days. Acting ti máa ti ọmọ yẹn lóbi gan ayé máa ronú sí. Ẹ wá sọ mí di ẹlẹ́bọ̀tọ̀ síbi kan. Gbogbo wọn tọ́ ọba ìsìnkí mi. Mo ti pọ́n ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ lálọ́wọ́ yín o. Èyí tó bá ṣọwọ́ gan máa ṣọwọ́ sáré. Ọ̀pọ̀ ṣọwọ́. Màá lọ tọ́jú ẹ̀ síbi kan ti ya wèrè. Wọ princess yẹn kí ló tó sálọ ó ṣe dúró. Ó ṣe dúró. Tí máa fẹ́ ṣòwèrè fún sí kí lọ kó gbogbo case file yẹn report yẹn kí kọ sí home office. Torí mo mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ẹni wèrè fi lọ gba asylum. Nísẹ̀kẹ́nu ẹ̀ kó dákẹ́ ó ti lọ fa wèrè lọ́yàn sí. Lọ́yà méjì ló ti pè mí ní UK. Nígbà tó gbọ́ Baba Ijesa jáde. Àwọn lọ́yà tó ti fẹ́ ṣeré fún tẹ́lẹ̀. Wèrè tí ṣe kó bá rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ìṣẹ́ kó ra ka síbi tó wà. Irú ẹ̀kọ́ pé lọ́gbọ́dọ̀ rí inú fáìlì ẹ̀. Wèrè òní kò ní padà ríwèé gbà wọ́n. Abẹ́rẹ́ sí lọ ṣàkọtí wú àwọn òkú mọ́ṣúárì. Kò tó lè kúrò níbi tó wá ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Lè bá lo fi máa fi gender bàbá yíyàn jẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣòótọ́. We want to pursue genuine cases. Sexual abuse on children or any child is unacceptable on any minor. Don't do it. Control yourself. But let's focus on genuine complainants, victims, so that we can be able to give them the right help. Because you can hide behind it. They want for any football age. Even the girl was writing different ages. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni ages to consabo, ọ̀tọ̀ ni to compant. Onto past year. And all the media, they kept quiet. Elaborate on Lagos State government. But why haven't you prosecuted that other boy? Should be same case, in it? Same investigation. Ask Governor Sanwo-Olu, why haven't your government prosecuted Damola Adekola? What kind of justice are you delivering to movie industry? Video. And when you speak, how are we going to continue to run a country like this? Every law princess show us the evidence of the age of that girl. And why didn't you present it in court? And as we speak now, at the appeal court, Baba Ijesa won 2 out of the 4 count charges. In coin, he's going to fight and ensure that he clears his name. And that's what happened, though. I don't support abuse on children. And again, I must advise, don't listen to any of these disgusting people that are saying that because it's been long, nobody will believe you if you are sexually abused. But because, people will not believe you or you lack evidence. If you suffer any sexual abuse, report to the police at any time. The police will see the best they can make out of it. Don't listen to anybody that tells you because it is too long, nobody will believe you, or because you lack evidence. No. Go ahead and tell the police. Be sure you're speaking the truth. They will look into it speedily. And that is one of the reasons why I give kudos to Lagos State government. They have serious institutions. They look into the abuse of children quickly. They look into it speedily. So be confident. Just ensure that you don't lie. Because if you lie, it might fall back on you. The woman is now facing charges now. And she should go to jail for lying against the husband because of a destroyer. Check out ká má ti wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn kẹsì wò pé àmọ́ èmi máa pa tí bá sọ pé ó bá mi sùn ó tẹ ọyàn mi wàá yìí kọ́kọ́ gbé ẹ náà irú èrò burúkú wo ni ẹ because social media allow you to escalate and destroy people's life. And when you see people on social media, they don't wait, they don't take time, they just attack and destroy people quickly. You must uphold the presumption of innocence on anybody. Anybody can be investigated, anybody can be arrested, anybody can be detained. So, to God be the glory, and to the public and to the legal team, instead of life imprisonment and a separate 16 years, Baba Ijesa got what he got and is out. So he only spent 3 years and 4 months. I want to believe everybody have learned our lessons. Self-control is key. I'm not saying I'm a saint. I'm not saying any other person is a saint. All of you put my am I really going to what is human rights? Àwọn kan ti believe pé bóyá ṣe human rights here kẹ́ máa fu ẹ fẹ́ máa fu wèrè ẹ fẹ́ máa òfòbò set mi up kẹ́ tó fu wèrè èmi kan máa jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mi gan wèrè wà nílẹ̀ torí tí ẹ bá ti lọ push jù àbí tó lọ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé ibi ìgbà yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́ lò kò sẹ́ni tó lágbára lórí obìnrin kò sí mi ìfẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe lágbára tó ẹ̀yẹ kan máa fọ́ ẹsẹ̀ if it's me it can never happen to me wèrè ọmọ bàbá ẹ̀ ṣe fún yẹ lóyún. Don't weaponize sexual abuse. It's not appropriate. Don't do it. Naturally or try and avoid it. Afenitobiri o ba fe mu ni. Tẹ́gbẹ́ tó bá ka o kon ka newspaper lásán, àbí on ka news and boom láyé ìgbà yẹn. O kon ka story bó ṣe ń bára wọn sùn lásán o ko tin le. Ẹlòmíì tin wet. Ni tó wá le jù tó wá wo mojo. Mojo tá ti wò, wá wo mojo tó wò lánàá yẹn. If you repeat seeing the blue film again, what will go to need hard on? I say, "Moshi wolano." Campus bossy ko wa physically, ko bring ma ko ma ṣe ju si e. Obìnrin lè wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀. Or kí girlfriend wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ boyfriend ẹ̀. Kó lè ma ṣe ju se lomi kí ko lè ti ó ti gba ogo number, ko ti wo pé ọmọ ẹ̀ ti kó mi jẹ. Ó ti lọ dànù. That's how powerful women can be. Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ àpàdé àgbákò obìnrin. Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ àpàdé àgbákò obìnrin. Káwọn ọmọ wa máa pàdé àgbákò obìnrin. Ká má ṣírò àwọn obìnrin bí princess pàdé. Ẹwé ẹbẹ bọ́tà. He has finished his sentence. Ṣé ohun tó plan lórí ẹ̀? Ṣé ohun tó plan òun lórí? That's not what they planned. And they gave me that. LB, let's continue to stand by what is right. We as a human rights organization will continue to fight and speak the truth. But gbogbo alágbára máa rìn lè lọ́rùn kí ni kan ẹ ṣọ̀ṣe. Ní àmọ́ ṣọkọ Ìyábọ̀ ńgbà yẹn kó mọ̀ pé wọ́n kọ́ ni kọ́kọ́ lù ní wèrè. If you sit in front of 6 billion people to castigate and lie against me and gag me, in tell me no bani, what I have is what I'm going to be used to fight back. I'm a shoko Ìyábọ̀. They tried to see that film should not be allowed to stream or do anything. They couldn't achieve it. Anybody. So that's the wickedness they did. Oh. Thinking that you continue to set any man up with flirting and then you change the story. It's pure evil and wickedness. Hello, Shoshi, stop it. This thing is happening everywhere, not just Nigeria. So that's the whole stuff. To deceive our public. Ṣé mo irú tí mo face yẹn tó jọ pé yẹn kò lè fún mi lówó ẹ̀. Mi ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ anybody. Mi ò join any WhatsApp group kó ń dáwó fún Baba Ijesa. Mi ò ṣe anything. Nothing. I did it from my church mind. And I know how many things that I lost in the process. Mo mọ iye nǹkan tí mo pàdánù. Tí mo believe pé Ọlọ́run ló máa recover fún mi. And I'm grateful to God Almighty. Inú ogun wa lógun yẹn ti wá àwọn ogun kan tí wá ń ṣe. Mi ò ṣe bàjẹ́. Mo challenge anybody kó sọ pé WhatsApp group báyìí o. Wọ́n dá wà bí òun kó owó pé ó yá gbà o. Lọ kó fún Baba Ijesa bí wọn. Kẹ́ni yẹn bọ́ta. nígbà tí ebi ń pa mí mo rọ́jú ẹ̀yìn mo bá life mi lọ mo ya fíìmù gan nígbà yẹn lẹ́gbà yẹn mo ya fíìmù ibi ọwọ́ kò jọ pé mo fi wèrè ya mo gbèsè mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ọlọ́run dẹ̀ bá mi ṣámí sí mo rù káàkiri ayé dẹ̀ ṣámí sí mo dẹ̀ rí lẹ́kọ́n díẹ̀. And that's how God bless you when you are honest. So I want to appeal to all of us. Self-control is key. It's very important. Because if you are careful in this life, if you run into somebody that is careless, if care is not taken, the careful will be the one to be blamed. That is the world we live, and that is what we have with social media. They are rehabilitating so many people with phone. Because they want to know if they still have memory. Can you still remember your TikTok? Are you on social media? Do you have Facebook? Do you have Instagram? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Log in. Immediately to log in by the caregiver to Chrome. But that person is already a loose cannon. They will come on social media and be spilling junks. So guys, that is about that. Baba Ijesa is now a free person and he is grateful to God. Allah will my money. And if you ask me, they cannot prove the age of that girl. Nothing. They just but their wish and their plan did not come to fall. 3 years, life imprisonment.